É themes, né? Themes. New blog themes and apps.
É themes.
Themes. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
And now you can go live up to. Oh my god. And now you can go live up to 3 to get any job done. Successful. Ah, that was good, huh?
Nice.
Most have limited design
Capacities.
the amazing entrepreneurial mind and when the timer reaches 0, the promotional price. You can have a promotional price with the countdown. This is an amazing. Oh my god, it's wrote Amazon. This is an amazing Amazon. Now you have pop-up. Oh my god. That way you can have a better use of the space on your page if you are working with small screens. Good? Bad? Good or bad?
It looks like you're reading.
And for most of those stores, buying traffic is not a solution. So those stores need to build. Oh my god! With this feature, you can create auctions and bring potential customers. I know. And that's what we are going to talk about. In today's video. This actually makes us a target. Oh my god, so hard. And today we are going to talk about some new applications that we made available for our to our users. That's what. Oh my god, I am. Currently several. Oh god. Currently several. Why are you laughing? It's not funny. The cost of oh god, começou.
Here we go again.
Digital marketing strategy, blah 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 again. You are already used to break down barriers. I am Eric Salgado, CEO and founder of Builderall, and I am Eric Salgado. We are in the middle of the with more than 40 tools integrated in. So the Builderall 4.0 launch is actually a celebration of the intense work carried over the 5 and now we have now left the beta mode, finally positioning ourselves as our tool is so solid that even with a huge flood quickly and with total excellence. More than 70,000. Oh, and just like this, Builderall is on its way to become the largest digital marketing platform in the world. No? What? And let it be noted that. Oh, as well, we are already. As well as we already have